Closer to home, Pfizer reported positive results from its latest trial of an experimental breast cancer drug, which doubled the lifetime of patients on the medication. But survival rates were not significantly better. Pfizer shares ended 3% lower. That made them the biggest decliner in the Dow today. Joining us now with more on this new drug is Damian Conover. He's the Director of Pharma Research at Morningstar. Damian, welcome. Good to see you. What is the name of the drug? Who is it for? And what did the trial show?
Yeah, so the drug is palbociclib, and I think it's Pfizer's most important product in their pipeline. And it's targeting a special subset of the breast cancer population. And right now, this subset really doesn't have a lot of good treatment options. And what this drug showed was almost a double the benefit in progression-free survival. Now, that's an important endpoint that is a positive for the drug. However, expectations for this drug were much, much higher. Hence, that's why we saw the major pullback today with Pfizer.
All right, I understand, Damian, that Novartis and Eli Lilly are also working on some kind of similar breast cancer drug. So it seems like between these three companies, the race is on. What does this mean for breast cancer patients? How soon can they expect one of these drugs or pills to be on the market?
Yeah, I think it means a lot for breast cancer patients to have more treatment options. When we think about oncology, breast cancer in particular, there's not a lot of great treatment options out there. So these next generation of products for the specific subset of breast cancer patients is a major door opener for these folks. From either Pfizer, Lilly, or Novartis, these products should really transform the medicine that these breast cancer patients have.
Even though these results for the Pfizer drug were received as somewhat disappointing, I gather that they are promising in the sense that they double the life expectancy of certain late-stage cancer patients. How big a drug could this be for Pfizer?
Well, when we look at the opportunity for this drug, we project peak sales of $2 billion a year. Now, that's a little bit below the street consensus estimate of about $3 billion. So we think it's going to be a major blockbuster. There's a huge range out there on the street as far as how big of a benefit it can be for Pfizer, but nevertheless, a major important piece of the story for Pfizer.
All right, so who do you think Pfizer's going to be the one that's going to come out with this? How about these rivals that are also working on it?
I think Pfizer's going to be first. I think Pfizer's going to be able to file on this phase 2 data, and that will give them a 2 to 3 year head start on Lilly and Novartis. And being first to the oncology market is really important because oncologists get used to using a particular medicine and really won't change the medicine unless the new medicine is much better on efficacy or much stronger on side effects. And I don't see either of that happening with Novartis or Lilly's products.
Are the chances this drug becomes publicly sold good?
Yeah, I think they're very good. We have a 70% chance of approval for this product. In the spectrum of things, that's pretty high.
All right, Damian, thank you very much for being with us tonight. We appreciate your time. Damian
Thanks for having
Conover,
me.
Director of Pharma Research at Morningstar.